Welcome to Crazy Dashcam. In the context of modern traffic, adhering to traffic signal regulations is essential to maintaining order and safety for all road users. However, these regulations are not always strictly followed. Violating traffic signals, such as running red lights or failing to stop when the light turns yellow to red, is one of the leading causes of collisions and serious accidents. Traffic signal violations not only endanger the violator, but also pose a threat to the safety of others, including pedestrians, vehicles approaching from other directions, and even emergency vehicles like ambulances and fire trucks. In this article, we will delve deeper into traffic signal violations, their causes, consequences, and measures to mitigate this issue. Chapter 1. What is a traffic signal violation? Traffic signals are essential tools for regulating traffic flow, especially at intersections. They consist of three main lights: red, stop; yellow, prepare to stop; and green, go. Failing to follow these signals is considered a traffic law violation. Common acts of violating traffic signals include running a red light. This occurs when a vehicle continues to move or passes through an intersection after the light has turned red, signaling the driver to stop. This is a common and extremely dangerous violation. Failing to stop at a yellow light. Although a yellow light typically signals drivers to prepare to stop, many people try to speed through the intersection instead of slowing down and stopping, leading to dangerous situations when the light turns red. Disregarding the green light. Some drivers may be distracted and fail to notice the green signal, disrupting traffic flow and endangering other vehicles. Failing to yield to pedestrians at red lights. At many intersections, a red light allows pedestrians to cross. However, vehicles that fail to yield to pedestrians are committing a violation that could lead to accidents. Chapter 2. Causes of traffic signal violations. There are many reasons why drivers violate traffic signals, often stemming from both human factors and traffic conditions. Some common causes include in a hurry. Many drivers violate traffic signals due to the rush to save time or avoid waiting for a red light. In these situations, drivers tend to try and speed through an intersection just before the red light comes on, or even continue driving after the light has already turned red. Distraction. Using a mobile phone, engaging in conversation with passengers, or any other distraction that diverts the driver's attention from the road is a common cause of violations. These moments of distraction can result in the driver missing the signal change, leading to poor decision-making when approaching intersections. Lack of knowledge or disregard for traffic laws. Some drivers may not fully understand the rules associated with yellow lights or have a general disregard for traffic laws, believing they can break the rules without consequences. This is commonly seen among inexperienced drivers or those who drive carelessly. Pressure from vehicles behind. Sometimes, impatient drivers from behind can put pressure on the person in front, causing them to feel forced to run a red light to avoid obstructing traffic or to escape being tailgated by the vehicle behind them. Heavy and chaotic traffic. In some cases, at congested intersections, adjusting speed or stopping in time can become difficult. The delay or confusion caused by heavy traffic can result in unintentional traffic signal violations. Chapter 3. Consequences of traffic signal violations. The consequences of violating traffic signals are extremely serious and can affect many people. Below are the main consequences. Serious traffic accidents. Running a red light, especially at busy intersections, can result in collisions between two or more vehicles. These accidents often occur at high speeds, leading to severe injuries or even fatalities for those involved. Property-damage collisions at intersections typically cause significant damage to vehicles. Repair costs can be very high, and in many cases, vehicles are damaged beyond repair. Legal consequences. Traffic signal violators, especially those who cause serious accidents, may face legal responsibility. This includes financial penalties, suspension of driving privileges, or even imprisonment if the accident results in severe injury or death. Impact on traffic flow. Traffic signal violations not only affect the directly involved vehicles, but also disrupt the flow of traffic in the area. An accident at an intersection can cause traffic jams for hours, affecting hundreds of other drivers. psychological impact. Traffic accidents not only result in physical and material damage, but can also leave lasting psychological effects on all parties involved, including victims, those responsible for the accident, and their families. Many people experience stress, anxiety, or guilt after causing an accident due to a traffic signal violation. Chapter 4. Solutions to minimize traffic signal violations. To reduce traffic signal violations and ensure the safety of all road users, a variety of measures must be implemented. Here are some key solutions. Strengthen education and raise awareness. Traffic safety. Education is a core element in preventing violations. Educational programs in schools, media campaigns about traffic safety, and training courses at driving schools should emphasize the importance of adhering to traffic signals. Apply traffic surveillance technology. Modern technology, such as traffic surveillance cameras at intersections, has proven highly effective in detecting and managing violations. Installing cameras not only aids in monitoring, but also acts as a deterrent, helping to lower the rate of signal violations. Increased penalties and strict enforcement strengthening penalties for those who violate traffic signals is essential. These measures may include fines, license suspensions for a specific period, or even imprisonment in cases of severe violations. Encourage self-awareness among drivers. Alongside administrative and technological measures, raising drivers' self-awareness is the most important factor. Drivers must understand that obeying traffic rules is not only a legal obligation, but also their responsibility to protect themselves and the community. Improve traffic signal systems and infrastructure. To ensure compliance with traffic signals, there should be improvements in traffic infrastructure and signal systems.
I got it.
Modern traffic signal systems can be equipped with additional features such as smart traffic signals. These systems automatically adjust the signal time based on traffic density. For instance, if the system detects a long line of vehicles waiting, it can extend the green light duration for that lane, helping reduce congestion and avoiding situations where drivers run red lights due to long waits. Pre-red light warning signals. Some countries have implemented systems that use flashing lights or countdown timers before the light changes color. This helps drivers prepare to stop and reduces the need for sudden braking or running red lights. Improve infrastructure at complex intersections. Overloaded or complex intersections can confuse drivers and make it difficult to follow traffic signals, leading to violations. It's necessary to improve the design of such intersections to ensure traffic signals are clear and easy to understand for all drivers. Increase the role of traffic police. The presence of traffic police at high violation areas, especially large and crowded intersections, is an effective measure to monitor and manage violations. Police officers not only act as supervisors, Winston says, but also as educators, guiding drivers to comply with traffic laws. Moreover, authorities should frequently conduct surprise inspections in areas with high rates of violations and implement decisive enforcement campaigns against traffic signal violations. The presence of traffic police and law enforcement agencies can help deter violations and create safer and more orderly intersections. Implement automated violation penalty systems. Automated penalty systems, commonly known as Phạt Nguội in Vietnam, have been widely adopted in many countries and are becoming increasingly popular in Vietnam. Traffic surveillance cameras at intersections not only detect signal violations immediately, but can also record these violations for later processing. The use of this technology helps reduce the need for direct police intervention, avoiding traffic congestion, and increasing efficiency in handling violations. Promote the use of safe driving assistance applications. Today, many applications and devices assist drivers in maintaining safe driving practices, reminding them about speed limits, maintaining safe distances from other vehicles, and obeying traffic signals. When used properly, these applications can help drivers stay focused and better comply with traffic rules. Governments and organizations can encourage the public to use these applications, while also providing information and guidance on their safe and effective use. Chapter 5. Responsibilities of traffic participants. In addition to solutions from the government and authorities, traffic participants must proactively raise their awareness and responsibility when moving on the road. Here are some important responsibilities. Strictly follow traffic laws. Every traffic participant, whether a driver, pedestrian, or cyclist, must fully understand and strictly comply with the regulations regarding traffic signals. This not only ensures their own safety, but also contributes to creating an orderly and safe traffic environment for everyone. Stay focused and avoid using phones while driving. Distraction is one of the main causes of traffic signal violations. Drivers should stay focused and avoid using mobile phones or other devices while driving. If there is a need to use the phone, they should stop the vehicle in a safe place to prevent distraction and potential danger to themselves and others. Respect pedestrians and other vehicles. At intersections, pedestrians and other vehicles have the right to move safely. Drivers should respect their right of way, especially at intersections where traffic signals allow pedestrians to cross. Drivers must avoid stopping within the marked pedestrian crossing area and always yield when necessary. Be aware of the consequences of violations. Every traffic participant should understand that violating traffic signals can lead to serious consequences, from traffic accidents to legal liabilities. Nothing is more important than safety, and violating a signal to save a few seconds could result in paying an extremely high price.
Fuck!
Violating traffic signals is a dangerous behavior that can lead to serious consequences for both the violator and those around them. To reduce this situation, cooperation from various sides is required, including authorities, technology, traffic infrastructure, and most importantly, the personal responsibility of each traffic participant. Complying with traffic signals is not only a legal requirement, but also a personal responsibility to protect the safety of oneself and the community. Through solutions such as enhancing education, raising awareness, applying technology, and improving traffic infrastructure, we can create a safer and more civilized traffic environment. Always remember, just 1 second of not following traffic signals can cause unpredictable consequences. Therefore, always adhere to traffic signal regulations to ensure the safety of everyone on the road.
What the fuck? SUV overtaking without sufficient visibility is very dangerous and can lead to serious accidents. The driver needs to be more cautious and follow traffic laws. Overtaking at high speed in foggy and damp conditions is very dangerous. Poor visibility and slippery roads can easily lead to serious accidents. It's possible that the wheel nuts were loose, causing the tire to come off the trailer. This highlights the need for more thorough checks and maintenance to ensure safety.
In the Isuzu D-Max and MUX. In 1 kilometer, turn left onto Stanley Terrace.
Thank you for watching the entire video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our upcoming content. Your support is the motivation for us to keep growing. Thank you very much.
What the hell?
The driver of the gray car was not paying attention when changing lanes.
Me! Oh my god, bro!
Sorry, so sorry, bro, so sorry.
Use your mirrors, man!
Yeah, sorry, bro.
That bull bust through your door could have killed you.
Sorry, bro.
You're all good, bro. Just take your time, yeah?